In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can install and use mods for Schedule 1. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically, by adding mods to your game, you'll be getting a lot of additional content into Schedule 1 because people is constantly creating new mods every day, so you can install those to add new features to your game. For example, you can add a minimap. You can also increase the size of the lobby. You can even import pre-made automatic farms, for example like weed farms, cocaine farms, and more. There are mods that will increase the limit of employees you can get. There are also autosave mods that will automatically save your game each certain minutes, and much more because they are creating mods every day. So to begin installing mods, all you need to do is go to this website. I will leave the link in the description below, and you just need to scroll down until you see the installation option, and we are gonna use the Windows version. So click right here and the download will start automatically. So just open the file once it has been installed. It just takes a few seconds and this window will pop up. So you just need to search for Schedule 1. If you can't find it right here where your Steam games list appears, you can also add the game manually and search for the path where you have your game. In my case, it appears right here, so I just need to click here and install. This will only take a few seconds and this will install the requirements to begin installing mods into Schedule 1. So once you have this installed, you need to go to nexusmods.com. I will also leave the link in the description below to search for the Schedule 1 mods. So as you can see, there are currently almost 80 mods right now, but the community is huge, so they are constantly adding new mods. As you can see, this one was uploaded 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 5 hours ago, and more. So I'm sure you will find a mod that you like. You can also filter it by trending or the most popular ones. So this way you can probably find the best mods to install. So for example, let's say I want to add a minimap, which I think it's a very important feature in this game. So just click right here and then go to the manual download. So if you click here, you might get a warning because of the Melon Loader version, but for this specific mod it doesn't really matter, so you can download it and it should work fine. If you don't have an account, it might ask you to create one first, but it only takes a few seconds. So now let's go for the slow download, which is the free option because we don't like paying for anything. And once you have saved this file, you just need to open it and you will see this file right inside the folder we just installed. So this is the mod we need to drag into our game's root folder. To find our root folder, you just need to go to the path where you have your game. If you have it on Steam, you just need to go to your library like this and search for Schedule. Right click it, go to Manage and browse local files. This will open the folder of the Schedule 1 game, and as you can see, you will have this new folder called Mods where you will need to drag and drop every mod you want to install. So in this case, just click it, drag and drop it inside the folder, and now you can just run Schedule 1 and let's see if we have the minimap. So that's it. Now as you can see, we have this small minimap at the top right of the screen and it only takes less than a minute. So this is the same process for every single mod you want to install, and it's very easy and helpful to have more fun on the game. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.